Project, please come and join us on the stage. Everyone, can you please give him a huge round of applause as he comes and joins us. And now I would like...
माइक पीछे कर
We're also delighted to welcome Mr. to request Mr. Ritesh to felicitate Mr. Abhishek Bansal.
Only a few words. But look, first of all, Vani, welcome to our new and more revamped store, and thank you for joining us in this celebration. It's been a great honor, and I was just sharing with Vani how incredible work she's done at Rachel as well, and a big fan, of course. But look, Vani, I must say that you look really gorgeous in this dress that you're wearing, and our designers have worked really hard to make it as good as possible for you. But look, this is a great store that we try to open, and welcome Vani and Abhishek to you as well. And thank you for giving us this beautiful mall to open this amazing store. Thank you for that.
Everyone, hi. All part. Hi. I'm very happy. I think I always have a broad smile on my face whenever I'm visiting my hometown, Delhi. And I think my mom actually comes here a lot to shop. And I absolutely love the way they have designed the store. There are a couple of brands which I personally invest in a lot and I buy a lot. It's so wearable, comfortable, chic, yet just stylish and yeah, suits everyone. Like I was going through the Indian wear right now upstairs on the first floor, and I kept making mental notes of what all I need in my wardrobe. So I love the warm welcome and the warmth that the lifestyle has welcomed me with, and it's just surreal always to be back, back in Delhi. Thank you for having me here, and thank you all for being here.
So what can I say? We've been running this center for 15 years now, and आप लोग तो सब अगर यहाँ आसपास के हैं तो आते ही रहते होंगे यहाँ पे. I must tell you, this is one of the most successful shopping centers in the country, and one of the highest footfalls that any shopping center gets in the country. One of those is Pacific Mall at Tagore Garden. Lifestyle in Pacific's journey has been very old and solid. Out of the 10 malls that we have, 5 of them have lifestyles, and of course on a larger scale with Landmark Group and Pacific, I think we are running more than 3 or 4 lakh square feet of area. So it's a solid partnership, and we are looking forward to this new revamped store. Lifestyle store in Pacific has been one of the top performing stores in the country, and I'm hoping that we retain that position with this new revamped brand new store. So